Everybody seems happy. Everybody seems like they're having a good time. Of course, the fire's challenging, which is what we wanted. Top shooters are sitting about where we wanted. You guys are having fun. Scott came out, helped RO, did an absolute just bang-up job. Amazing, helping RO. All in all, really can't complain.
Right on, man. Good match. Have a good day.
Hey, you too.
Shooter ready?
Yes, sir.
We just wrapped up the first 2-day PRS match at Avenal. We have some unique terrain. It's tough to set up targets. All in all, I think it went really well. Seeing everybody have a good time and getting together is, you know, it's a big family, right? So all of us shooters, we have the same goal in mind and everybody's helping each other out. So it's rewarding.
Right on, dude. Heck of a match.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Right on. Let's see the bag.
Yeah.
That's the ticket right there. Big old heavy guy.
Let's do this. I'm hungry.
Oh, look at that!
I got one! I'll take it.
How'd the bag work?
It sucks. I want it made clear that he could have any equipment he wanted at this time. Pre-staged. And he chose a wallet.
Impact. Impact.
It was a great match. Brian Kerr and Scott really put on a challenging course of fire. Quick time, lots of targets, lots of positions. It was good out here. I think I got the win again, so we'll see how we can go for the AG Cup here in 2 weeks. I'm pretty excited about it.